Pay attention to this. He was taken home by his girlfriend for the first time in the backyard, spotted a motorcycle full of rust. But when the boy saw, he took it as a treasure and told his girlfriend, "You can remodel to fix this abandoned motorcycle." The girl's face was full of amazement. This makes everyone around. They all looked with suspicious eyes. This motorcycle is full of rust. So badly damaged. Can it be repaired? According to my girlfriend, this motorcycle is a wedding present that her parents over bought. 25. This car doesn't just witness their love, but also to have great moments with them. The boy was very moved when he heard it. Looks very excited. But he also told the boy, just because the engine broke down a few years ago. During that time, I also asked a local mechanic to take a look. I didn't expect the mechanic to look and for shake his head. Spare parts. Repairs cost less than buying a new car. So the car kept being left under the wall in the yard. After the wind blows the beam rain, it's rusted heavily. Father-in-law told, if you can't fix it, don't force yourself to do anything. But the boy was determined. He can actually retrofit the car. As you pull your old motorcycle everyone home, around shakes their head. Given that this is an impossible task. With this rusty car, it's too hard. This broken engine is almost completely destroyed. He's not under everyone's suspicion. You start with the most basic things like cleaning. Gradually, remove the thick layer of dust and rust on the motorcycle. Each part is carefully disassembled by type. Even the smallest screws are not overlooked. Finally, after a long time and relentless the motorcycle effort that people used to think it can't be fixed has been fully restored. Appeared in front of everyone. Shiny car body gives off a bright light. Motor emit powerful and stable sound. Every detail is processed perfectly. One defect. People see this. No one can escape surprise and open their metal before. Can turn into such a wonderful motorcycle. Don't need to say much more. The boy uses some special to refresh the components. How to make the most honest results. And with perseverance, he carefully repaired the motorcycle step by step. When the finished product you will surely be impressed. Talk about here. Does anyone know which car this is? With this kind of skill, he opened a car repair shop. Definitely make a lot of money. He must say that a man of both heart and stature. Next, he's cleaning the rusted parts of the car. As the old saying
if you
goes,
can, give a like.
I can't do it. Believe that handsome and beautiful people.
I've seen it here.
I will not regret a visit and sharing.
Where is it?
Please give a like to support this talented
For
guy.
your support.
That's what drives us to keep creating.
Thank you very much.
The video is over. The restoration of this abandoned motorcycle
It's also close to completion.
From the beginning, the old car broke down.
It was completely
If
new.
you don't see the entire recovery process,
really unbelievable.
How many points would you give this guy?
On a scale of 100.
Thanks, and see you later.